Hello, welcome to your language studio. I am teacher Sari, and in these videos we're going to practice your vocabulary. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Today, we will talk about places around town. Let's start.
Your language studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
There are different places that we can find around the city or in our neighborhood. Pay attention to the following locations. Analyze what activities you can do at these places.
She bakes bread, cookies, and cakes at the bakery. They buy bread at the bakery. Park. She rides her bike at the park. They have a picnic at the park. School. They study at school. They teach at the school. Restaurant. They cook at the restaurant. She eats at the restaurant. Grocery store. They buy food at the grocery store. Library. They read and study at the library. Cinema. They watch movies at the cinema. They eat popcorn at the cinema. Hospital. He goes to the hospital. They cure people at the hospital. Police station. They arrest robbers at the police station. Fire station. They respond to emergencies at the fire station.
Perfect. Now practice describing what places are around your city or your neighborhood and what activities you can do at these locations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!